Hi guys, Deb here from City Chic Farmhouse. Getting ready to do part 2 of my dresser makeover. It's really windy out today, so more than likely I'm just going to do a bunch of voiceovers. Because for you to hear me, it's going to be really, really hard. This is part 2, painting. See you in a bit. Hey guys, I'm going to start putting my second coat on my dresser now, but I wanted to show you what I'm using. I got paint on it you can't really see, but I'll let you know what it is. It's Valspar 2000 paint and primer in one, and we are using the color, if you can zoom in, I believe it's called Snowcap White. I will let a description and also a link in the box below. It came from Lowe's. I'm not going to film me actually doing all the second coat. I might show you a little bit here and there, but for the most part, you know what a second coat of paint looks like going on for the most of you. So I'm gonna get started. Hi guys, hey, as you can see, it's another day. I just want to jump on here quick and let you guys know that the hardware finally came for the dresser. The painting is completely done, but I'm going to film the hardware and how I stage it in another video, so it doesn't go too long, but it is done. I will insert a picture of the before and the after so you can at least see the painting job. Once again, the paint is done. It took 2 coats with some touch-ups. I appreciate it, guys. Please continue watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys next time.